so your scooter isn't turning on. Well, of course, you're thinking to yourself, what the is going on? Use these 3 steps to find out what the issue is. Number 1, check your charger. Should turn red when it's plugged in.
If that's not the case, we got a problem.
Number 2, check your charging port, because in this case,
God knows what's going on.
And 3, if all else fails, your just spraying is not a battery issue. And you can see now, with our new battery, she is back to life. Battery issue, unfortunately. Hope that helped. Follow and like for more.
Catch you guys in the next one.